Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Navy Pier supports a wide range of activities because the structure was built to handle large crowds moving through a single space, and that allows multiple attractions to operate at the same time without conflict. The layout is long, wide and linear, which spreads activity along the pier instead of concentrating in one area. One of the main attractions is the Centennial Wheel, which stands at around 196 feet and was introduced in 2016 as part of a major redevelopment. It replaced an earlier Ferris wheel and uses enclosed gondolas, allowing it to operate in different weather conditions while providing elevated views across Lake Michigan and Chicago skyline. Water-based activity is a major part of how the pier functions, with sightseeing boats departing regularly for both lake and river routes. These tours include architecture cruises along the Chicago River, as well as open water trips on Lake Michigan, and they run on tight schedules to maintain continuous flow. High-speed options are also available through jet boat rides, which focus on rapid acceleration, sharp turns, and direct exposure to lake conditions. These operate as short-duration experiences and use the open water area beyond the pier for maneuvering. Indoor attractions provide a different type of activity that is not affected by weather, and the Chicago Children's Museum is one of the main examples. It includes interactive exhibits designed for hands-on learning and is structured to handle high visitor turnover throughout the day. The Chicago Shakespeare Theatre adds a performance-based element, with productions running across multiple seasons and attracting both local audiences and visitors. This creates a separate flow of activity that is scheduled rather than continuous. Seasonal programming is a key part of how the pier operates, and this includes regular fireworks displays during summer and event-based installations throughout the year. These events draw large crowds and are designed around the open lakefront positioning of the pier. The structure allows all of these activities to operate simultaneously because of its scale and distribution, with wide walkways and multiple access points preventing congestion. Movement is continuous, and visitors can transition between different types of activity without interruption. What makes this setup effective is that each activity serves a different purpose while sharing the same infrastructure, which keeps the space active across different times of the day and different seasons. The pier functions as a multi-use system rather than a single attraction.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.